The Euclid Chemical Company. We are a vital part of the mix to our customers around the world. For more than 100 years, they've relied on our people, our products, and our services to complete their construction projects faster, make them more durable, more sustainable, and more beautiful. Originally founded as Klein Building Products in 1910 by Jacob Klein, the company sold waterproofing and concrete additives around Cleveland, Ohio. In 1951, Klein sold the business to his partner, Lawrence Korak. Lawrence took this small, local business and grew it into a nationwide company while still maintaining a family culture.
Well, you know, it was a very, very small operation and a very family sort of operation. And I was the 11th employee. People liked each other, people came. I don't ever remember anybody leaving. It was a very pleasant place to work.
I remember going into work with my father when I was a young teenager. One of the stories I remember best about my dad is the day he brought one of his salesmen in with the intention to let him go, and he ended up giving him a raise. And that really explains my dad, because he was a tough businessman, but he was really a softie on the inside. He wanted people to stay and make their careers here.
With 5 operating companies in the Western Hemisphere, including Euclid USA, Euclid Canada, Euclid Mexico, Toximent, and Productos Cave. Our products are sold the world over.
We have gone from a very small family-owned company to what's now part of a large multinational company that's probably 20 times bigger than it was in those days. And as we look forward to what we want to accomplish in the Euclid Group, acquisitions are absolutely key to our growth strategy.
Euclid acquisition strategy is very consistent with the RPM acquisition strategy. We are looking for good companies with good management team, with a good brand recognition. Always we are trying to get from the new company things that they are doing well, and then we translate to the other company. That is the integration. We're trying to keep the strategy, keep the people, keep the brand, just learning together and growing together.
Euclid's products are used in all forms of construction where strength and longevity are paramount. From common roads and sidewalks to mammoth structures like bridges, dams, and skyscrapers, we make them all come together.
It's overwhelming to a lot of people to think about it, but there's concrete everywhere. It's the #1 building product in the world, most popular building product in the world. And so anywhere there's concrete used, we can be involved in that.
The Euclid Chemical line there is, I would dare say, the most complete in the industry. Some of those brands that we truly cherish there are the Yuko name, the Yukon, the Thames, the Dural, the Tough Strand in the fiber business there, and then Increte is truly something that we can now offer to the decorative market.
Increasingly, Euclid is becoming critical to sustainable construction projects through new research and new products.
We come at sustainability a couple ways here. One is the fact that concrete itself is a sustainable material. When you think about life cycle analysis, there's nothing that has greater durability than concrete. So what we do with a lot of associations is just promote the use of concrete. And of course then our additives can make concrete more efficient. So you use less cement, and that you can get greater strengths, greater durability from concrete when you use a proper mix with our admixtures.
Beyond our products, the one constant that makes Euclid stand out from all the rest is its people.
We're very proud of the fact that our sales force is very well trained. We put a lot of time and money and effort into making sure our people are prepared so that at the customer level we can provide them a differentiation and a service level that separates us from our competition.
Our strategy have 2 basics. People, our people have to be or is the best. The second fundamental of the strategy is service. We call it in Spanish is acompañamiento. It's more than service. To be with is to be with the customer. Just to give service or training, that's okay, but it's more than that. It's really to be with the customer, and for that you need the best people. and the people very commitment to the company and very committed with the strategy. And that is our differentiation.
We make better products, but more importantly, we have better people. And I think that generally the success of any operation depends upon the people, because it's a tremendous competitive advantage to have better people. And I truly believe we have better people.
Throughout our growth over the last century, Euclid Chemical has never lost sight of the family culture that made this company what it is today.
Sure, the great thing about Euclid always is its people. Any business is its people. And for a company that's in business over 100 years now, we've been able to hang on to our culture. And a lot of that's because we've had longevity, and also we've hired the type of people that they end up fitting in.
Today we have over 600 employees spread out throughout the Americas, and yet we try to maintain that family atmosphere. We think that's one of the secrets to attracting and keeping the best people available in our industry.
5 years ago, my son passed away, and what happened was everybody came together as a family, and I've never seen so many people come to me in my time of need. You know what I'm saying? This is what makes me know that this is a family, because people care outside of work.
From our humble beginnings in 1910 to our global position today, we've focused on meeting the needs of our customers. And we've done so by building on the foundation of our quality products, our quality services, and our quality people. And we'll continue to build upon them into the next century.
Euclid Latin America and Euclid Group is very proud of our 100th anniversary. I know that just 7% of the million companies in this country survive 50 years. My personal guess could be 3% arrive 100 years. And we are very proud to be in the top 3%.
What most people don't realize is that the world is built on concrete. Every other building material is secondary, so what we do is core to the future growth of the economies around the world. We've got tremendous potential for what we do.
What will be interesting to do in the years to come and decades to come there will be to duplicate our success model and build on the strong foundation we already have in the Americas, and then build on that strength we could target, let's say it, the rest of the world.
At Euclid Chemical, we are demonstratively better.
Euclid Chemical, we are solution finder and result driven.
Euclid Chemical, I think we are demonstrably better.
Euclid Chemical, we are exceptional.
Always Euclid Chemical, we are with you.
We are demonstratively better.
Euclid Chemical, we are for real.